Hi YouTube! Today I'm going to be doing a makeup look using my Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions palette right here, which I got from my brother's girlfriend as another gift. This is what the palette looks like. I've used it once before. I just got out of the shower, so that's why I have my hair in a towel, but that'll be out shortly. Alright, so I just accidentally shaved too much of my eyebrow off. Fuck. Anyways, I'm now going to fill in my eyebrows with my Anastasia medium. Oh, forgot to say. Anyways, let's jump right into the video. Now I'm going to be using my Anastasia medium brown dip brow pomade by Anastasia. I'm going to fill in my eyebrows very carefully. Alright, so I just finished both of my eyebrows. And now I'm going to set my lid with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Contour Concealer. This will be the primer for my eyeshadow. Alright, so now I'm going to take the palette, and the first shade I'm going to go in is the shade right in the middle, and I'm just going to apply this all over the lid. Now I'm going to apply some tape because I'm going to go in with darker colors and I want to have a sharp line when I take the tape off. So now I'm going to go in with this dark deep brown color right here. Yeah, you have to really get into the color if you want to get some. Now I have a lot, and I'm just going to pack this color on into the outer V. And just kind of gradually build this shadow. So I'm going to bring the shade all the way to the inner corner, but continue this line along the crease. Because I have now decided that I'm going to do a cut crease. But now I'm going to add the shade right here next to the brown shade and apply this a little bit underneath the brown shade. Making it a little bit more orange, and do a cut crease. like so. And then over the top of this, I'm gonna take this very pretty pink gold shade right here. And again, just place it right on top. And now I'm going to take the brown shade again and deepen up this outer corner. And I'm just going to show you guys close up what this looks like. Now before I do my other eye, I'm going to apply a wing with my Maybelline New York Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner. And now I'm going to do the same to the other eye. Alright, so I just finished both of the eyes. And now I'm going to apply a layer of mascara and then apply fake eyelashes. Alright, so I just put my eyelashes on. Like this. I'm going to put the second shade that I put on right here, and I'm going to line my bottom lashes. And now the last step for the eyes is to put one more layer of mascara, like this.